if you are aware at any time and all the time that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is around and watching you, He can watch over everything, He can see everything, He can hear everything, and if you remember that constantly, then you are muttaqi. Once you are muttaqi, He will protect you from doing anything wrong. And when you are firm in that taqwa, when you are firm and sincere in that kind of a lifestyle, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses you to help others. It may be something very simple. Somebody might say to you along the way or in the masjid or when you're talking to somebody or from this pulpit, and it may actually really resonate with you in your heart, may change your life completely. Possible. But keep yourself open to hidayah from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, guidance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Never ever think that because you can recite Al-Quran properly, because you know the meanings, because you know Arabic, because you are very, very intellectually intelligent and you have an IQ of 140, that you will do the right things. It's not basically equal to that. It's Allah's mercy and your good intentions. Like I said, level of education, level of intelligence is only helpful for our worldly life and also helpful in understanding Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's method if we make that kind of an intention. Otherwise, Iblis was not less intelligent. Iblis, the leader of the angels or jinns and probably other makhluk that we can't think of, he had all the knowledge and he had the power and everything, and yet certain thing he did when he disobeyed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, all that was wasted for him. So to be proud and to even take once in your life that you really have enough education and enough ibadah and you have done 10 hajj, 20 umrahs, that you will inshallah be in paradise. Yes, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you for those things. But that's not what you can count on. What you count on is your good intention and the mercy that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can provide you. So, always remember that none of us is incapable of doing that. All of us have that ability to be God conscious. Just think that whatever is happening is because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He makes you a little sick one morning, it's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's wish. There is some reason why you are not out there doing fully when you are not feeling well. There is a reason for that. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best. Leave your affairs to Him and He will inshallah take care of your intentions are good. But then, this is oversimplification of life. But purpose of my message basically was that all of us should feel that we are creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We are here for a purpose. We have to find out what purpose we were created for. We have to see what talents Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us. Use those talents to benefit others. If it's money, share it with others. If it's knowledge, share it with others. If you have good health, share it with others. Help somebody cross the street if you have good health and the other person you feel is having difficulty crossing the road. If you see something a little bit heavy and person is struggling to do something, help. The other day I was trying to buy something, bird seed, and the bag was heavy. And I wanted somebody's help to put it in the car. It was 50 pounds that I picked. And thank God I was able to get somebody, and I told the young man, can you please help? And he was able to pick it up and put it in the trunk. I really prayed for that person. I felt good that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent me towards me, so I didn't have to stress my back, and he was able to help. You may think it's a trivial thing or it's a casual thing, but it all happens with the mercy and with the kind of order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we should be always thankful to Him and look towards Him for help. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us on the right path. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect our future generations here. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the capacity to understand His message, live by it, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive us for all our shortcomings and mistakes that we make. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum.